When you're factorizing an algebraic expression, you find in the HCF of your given expression, and then you take out common factors in each term. So that what that basically means is that you're going to have your answer written in brackets, okay? You remember in our first lesson, we did a few exercises on HCF. So now let's apply that. Let's do an example where we give it minus 3y squared plus 18y. So you can see that you can find the factors of 3 and 18. And y is common in both terms. So what is the factors of 3? You write them down. And then what is the factors of 18? You write them down. And then what is the HCF? It's 3. So you're going to factor out 3 in both terms. So you're going to factor out 3, but then there's y. What are you going to factor out? Y and not y squared, okay? So you're going to factor out 3y. So when you factor out 3y, you're left with y minus y. And then when you factor out 3y there, you're left with 6. And that's your final answer. So you can also check yourself to see if your answer is correct. You don't have to always do this, but you can do this for when you're practicing. Take your final answer and then you expand, okay? You expand and then you multiply 3y into every term in the bracket. That should give you the same answer as the original expression they gave you. Then that's where you can be sure that your answer is correct, okay? But then I also want you to remember something. When you're factorizing, remember that factorizing is the reverse process of expansion, okay? So when you're factorizing, remember that you're doing the reverse process of expansion, okay? So we're going to do expansion in our few next lessons. So pay attention that when you are factorizing, you're doing the reverse process of expansion, okay? So I hope we're together on that one and you're not going to be stuck when we're doing it later on. We good, right? Let's go.